Hi friends! I would like to give you a warm welcome to Lulu Blue Studio. My name is Luisa and this channel is all about the world of watercolor. I decided to create this video in order to give you a bit of information about myself and about this channel. Let's start from the beginning. Although I've been loving art all my life, I fell for watercolor quite recently. I started then to paint almost every day and I fell for watercolor, its techniques and the world of flowers. Therefore, I've created this channel to bring you along my way, my journey, and to give you free tips and tutorials that I've learned along the way. I will be dedicating most of my time to painting flowers because I find them beautiful and challenging at the same time. I love the thousands of colors and shades that they offer, and I think watercolor is a perfect medium to capture all these nuances. I find watercolor painting can empower us to find self-confidence, unlock creativity, and feel better with ourselves. But how all of this happened? Let me tell you a little bit more about my story. Since studying art and restoration during my university years in Italy, yes, I'm Italian, you can clearly understand from my accent, I've been working at different jobs as a color professional in the painting and fashion industry. While these jobs partially allowed me to actually pursue my love for art, they lacked a bit that creativity that I was yearning for. Of course, I didn't realize this immediately. But eventually, I arrived at a point where all my passions and interests converged into watercolor, and that's where everything started. I felt I finally found my path. So now, I have decided to pour everything into my new passion for watercolor painting and create this channel, Lulu Blue Studio. Lulu Blue Studio is a place for art lovers and painting enthusiasts, but really anyone who wants to enjoy some time watching these videos of art being made and also maybe along the way learn from the process. I will use my skills and the experiences I've learned during all of these years working as a color professional to provide you free tutorials and step-by-step guides on watercolor painting. I will also create a supportive community here where we can all learn from each other and grow together. If you have any requests, don't hesitate to let me know what you would like to see on Lulu Blue Studio. By subscribing, you can get all of my insights and you can be part of this welcoming community. I would love to hear from you. To conclude, I really believe that it's never too late to start something new that really excites you. I hope that my own personal story and this channel can help to inspire you and to take a chance on yourself and thrive. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support, and see you soon.